All right, we're doing another sewer line dig, guys, and we're here after Roto-Rooter. I came and did an estimate after they told the customer that they needed to replace their entire sewer line, and they wound up going with my price, which is not a big shocker. Actually, Roto-Rooter had did a repair inside a small piece of pipe under the floor, and it turned out they actually got more money for that job than I got for this job. So, I mean, who's the real loser here? But anyway, these are the jobs I love doing. They said when you do what you love, you never work a day in your life. Which is especially true for me because I'm not going to pick up a shovel for this entire job. I'm just looming over these guys like I'm filming a fucking nature documentary. Here you'll see the second-year apprentice who believes he needs to dig under the entire pipe. You know, whatever. Whatever fucking keeps him busy, honestly. So we had to take the sidewalk here, and it was a really busy road. Now, eventually, I finally got to doing something. I got the super sawzall and them Diablo blades. Cuts right through cast iron like butter. Of course, a monkey could have cut it straighter with a nail gun, but we're going to get back to that. Show me a monkey that can hit dirt with a hammer. Then I'll be impressed. Next, we cut the other side of this pipe. Same deal. Big sawzall, big blade. My saw started smoking pretty bad on this one, so hopefully that shit ain't going to break soon. I only had that thing for less than a year. So now comes the best part. We're going to dig this thing out so we can start pulling the cast iron out. I'm going to smash it all with a hammer and throw it out of the hole because, you know, I got to be in the video at some point. Otherwise, my wife's going to watch it and think I was somewhere else. I don't know where she always thinks I am. So, use a chop saw. That's how you fix a crooked cut right there. Then I tried to catch this little critter that fell down in there. And I couldn't get him. I was chasing him around. And then he just wound up, like, climbing up the walls. It's like, if you knew you could do that, why'd you let me chase you? I don't get it. Anyway, now it's time to start doing some more of the piping. We're going to be putting some Bullhorn cleanouts on here. This is a special type of two-way cleanout that we're doing, where we got one combo goes out to the street and one back to the house. I'm using OD glue because Weldon's check bounced. And again, you're going to see a master at work. Perfect cut every time. Look at that, baby. Something about these fern coves was a big pain in the ass today. They just didn't want to slide on. But right is tight and tight is right. That's what they always say to me. So anyway, we packed the whole thing with stone. Stone we use is 100% natural, comes from the ground. Or things like the ground, mountains and stuff. Mountains are like ground but high. Don't quote me on that. I'm not a geologist. But we got it all together. And here's my favorite part. Filling it in. Anyway, see you on the next one, guys.